Now, many people ask me, is it profitable to become a mortgage loan originator? It definitely is profitable to become a mortgage loan originator, even when interest rates go up, even if they go down. There's different types of loan products that a lot of people don't know or understand. A lot of times when interest rates go up on the residential side of the business, commercial interest rates are still very competitive. And when interest rates go up and maybe real estate sales slow down, what a lot of people don't realize is that real estate, when it goes down a little bit in value, more investors jump into the market. So there's more investor loans. When there's more investor loans, there's specific kinds of loans, either hard equity loans or hard money loans, as they're also known, become very popular. And if you know how to close these loans, you're going to be able to make a lot of money. And it's not difficult, it's actually easier. And being able to know exactly how the process works and how you can approach this business will make you a success even when you're just starting out.